Good evening, YouTube. Bill number 3 back down here in the Carolinas. We got up on the bench today. This used to be 2 amps. This was a 2 pill. And this was a 3 pill. And I took everything out of this one, put over in this one. The other 2 pill section, made this a 1x4. This is for Mr. Doug down in Georgia. And this is what we came up with. And I did put a little clear on the board before I laid everything down, so it wasn't get no worse than what it is. If I'd have had the time and could have done it, I'd have cleaned up the whole board and everything. But he didn't want to spend no more than he had to on it, so I got it up and going. So this amp is going to be something else. I don't know exactly what he's going to do with that one. But anyways, back to this one. Just up and ready to go. And this is with my stock Cobra 29. This thing's falling off a little bit. I don't know what's exactly wrong with it. The peak wattage is dropping off a little bit. Getting ready to replace it. Only thing done to that is it's had a variable key put on it, and Rainmaker tuned it, but like I said, it's falling off. I've keyed the mic a couple times, and stuff got up against it and stuff keyed the mic when it was just sitting there. So I think the final is going out in it. I'll look at that later. But anyways, getting back to this amp. This is a 5-watt slug in reverse going back towards the radio. You turn the amp off. This is the feed through watts on it. So you want these low as possible. Audio. Barely moves audio. So that's good. Alright, turn the amp on. It's 5-watt slug in reverse going back towards the radio. You want them as low as you can get them. Audio. Hello. And they real good and low. That's 5-watt slug. Then this is 50-watt slug in reverse going back towards the dummy load. This is a 1000-watt slug and forward going towards the dummy load, the antenna part. And it's in RMS. Like I said, my radio is going down. This is on, it says 15 volts, but it's actually 14.9 volts. And I do have a little line loss. I'm going up, upgrade my clamps for long. These clamps, I have a piece of 8-gauge wire going from here, going around, going up through this side and connecting to that. I actually ought to take the 8-gauge wire and run it down to here, and maybe the current might come up. But that's why I got both of them. Kind of got both sides hot, both sides ground, just to give it a little bit more current, but it's losing a little bit through that. I've been doing that for a while. I haven't done nothing about it, but I'm going to do something about it today, I think. But anyways, this is the output on it. Audio. It's about 340. I know this thing will do more than that with about a radio. But this little radio here just ain't got it going on. Not as of yet. Turn the peak kit on. Little light come on. This is peak. Audio. So a little over 900. Let's reflect again. 5-watt slug. Audio. Hello. Talking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back up. Audio. Back up. Audio. So the seat's getting on down. Doing pretty good. That thing would do a little bit better if I had a 2879 driving in 2879s, but we got what we got. Nice little info. Think old Doug is going to be happy with it. I don't know exactly what he's going to do with it. If it's going to be for sale or if he's going to keep it. But it's up to him. Alright. Y'all have a good one. P number 3 down here. Later.